Good morning. Welcome to online classes. I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe and being able to at least spend a little online time with your families or friends or something. I'd be really interested to hear how things are going. So here we are. Hopefully by the time you are seeing this, you've already figured out where the week 11 module is, and you have some kind of a sense of how things are going to be structured for class for the rest of the semester, actually. So today I'm just going to give you a brief overview of where to find things in BB Learn, and I'm going to talk just a little bit about what we're doing for this week. And then I have some videos and the rest of the film, The House We Live In, for you to finish, and some other things in that module to complete. So first, there are no major changes to assignments. I want you to continue with your ethnography project. You should let me know if you need to change your research. If you already did a lot of your research before the break, then you can stick with your original topic. And if you need to make some edits to it, send me an email. We can set up a Skype conversation. We can talk by email. Let me know how that's going and what you're gonna need to do to change it, if anything. If you need to switch to phone interviews, that's totally fine. If you wanna try to do a Google Hangouts focus group, that's fine. We're just gonna have to make it work. So, what is going to be different is that instead of coming to class, you're going to be completing the things that I post on that online module. So each week on Monday morning, that module will open up and you can work through the week on watching the videos, watching any lecture that I post, doing activities that I'm asking you to do. And then those modules will also have, if there's a major assignment for that week due, that will show up, a link to that will show up there. The other thing is, because discussion is important to this class and having an online discussion is a little bit different, I'm asking you to participate on an online discussion board every week. So the online discussion board will be located also in that weekly module, and you can find it by going to our home page. So I'm gonna, okay. Never mind, I'm not going to turn this around for you because it's not going to let me. Okay, well, I will tell you about it and then I'll try to post a video of it in just a minute. So you should, when you open up our Anthropology 309 site on BB Learn, on the left-hand side, there's a sidebar. If you can't see it, find the little arrow that pulls it over for you, and you can see a page that says syllabus and policies there. If you click on that, I've posted a discussion board that says questions for Dr. Eves. You can always email me questions, but I posted that discussion board because I thought maybe it would be helpful for other students to be able to see what questions have been asked and what I have replied. So if you have a question that might be relevant for everyone, like when is something due, what's the requirement for this assignment, post it in that discussion board so that other people could review what are the answers to some of those questions. The other thing is I've posted an updated course schedule. So the syllabus is basically staying the same, but I've posted a new schedule part for the next several weeks. And that shows you kind of a daily recommended what you might want to be doing each day, and it shows you which assignments are due that week and by day, because I changed it so that your major ethnography rough drafts are now due on the Monday after they were originally due. And the reason for that is that I've assigned you into peer editing groups. So there should be 2 other people in your group, and you need to get in touch with your group. It's going to be the same group for the rest of the semester. I'm hoping that this will give you a chance to feel like you have some kind of colleagues in this online situation that you should send your rough draft to on Thursdays, and that's by 9 a.m., which is when we would have been coming to class basically. And they will edit it, and you should edit your 2 peers' papers by Friday night at 11:59 p.m. You should send them back your edits, and you should receive edits back. And then you should address their edits. So keep everything in Track Changes or in Google Docs where I can see all the changes. So let people edit in Track Changes. If you don't know how to use Track Changes, you would get into Microsoft Word or Google. Microsoft Word under Review, the Review tab has a button that you can click to track changes, and then I can see everything that you've done. So what you should be turning into me on Monday is a document that shows your 2 peer editors' comments, and then it shows you doing more edits after they comment, and I should be able to see those edits. So their edits are showing, your edits are showing. You don't need to accept any of those changes. You can comment on their comments that you've addressed it, or that you're choosing not to, and here's a good reason why. So you don't have to do everything that they suggest. It's a peer editor, and you may disagree with what they say, but I do want you to change it. If somebody says, I didn't understand this sentence, you do need to make a change. If you don't like how they recommended that you fix it, that's fine, but you do need to make a change. So I want you to participate in those discussion groups. I'm also going to post a survey at the end of the week on a SurveyMonkey link that gives you a chance to give me anonymous feedback to let me know how things are going, what's not working, and I might continue to change it a little bit if things aren't working for you. So use that survey link if you don't feel comfortable emailing me. If you have a comment you want to email me, go ahead. My email address is emery.eaves@nau.edu, and you can email me that feedback, or you can use the anonymous survey link. Please be nice. This is not super easy for me either, so don't use it as a way to just jab at me and hurt my feelings, but you can give me honest feedback, and I will try to do my best to make this actually work for all of us. So that's how I have it set up currently. I'm gonna stop this and I'm gonna turn it around, and I'm gonna try to show you a little tour of BB Learn that will be in a separate video probably.